Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to group elements in Canva mobile app. So first of all, let's throw in an element, let's say a graphic. So I'm going to go ahead to elements here, the toolbar below. I'm going to add a circle. Now just stay there, right? You're going to see a list below. Swipe left to find more. Just click more, the last option. Now we're gonna select the second option, select multiple. Now we're gonna tap the channel logo and the screen recording, right? That's 3. Now all I gotta do is hit group, the first option here at the very top. Now when you want to move them, they will go together, right? Does that make sense? So again, select multiple and choose your element and then hit group, right? Now they will move together, right? In editing. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.